So good day everyone. Let's make a power supply in Tinkercad. First, let's find this function generator. One function generator. Then let's put one multimeter at the top. Then let's put diode. And let's put one resistor at the top. Then one capacitor. At function generator, let's connect this to the diode. Let's change color to black. Then this connect to the resistor. Let's connect it to the other diode. Then let's connect it to the capacitor. Then let's connect it to the other diode again. Then the multimeter connect it. Let's connect it to the resistor. Then the positive. Let's put it red. Let's connect it to the resistor. And this connect it to the resistor. So let's try it. If it's working, let's put 50, 14, then 250 DC offset. Then the resistor 1 ohms. Then capacitance is 1000. So let's start simulation if it's working. Oh, it is working. So this is how to make a power supply in Tinkercad. So that's all. Thank you.